The next thing we're going to do is we have the lobster here. And we're going to put a lobster in a steamer, right, Margot?
Yes.
Very much alive.
Yes. So there's many ways to do it. I always do it like this with the claws with the rubber band on there.
Yep.
You want to come in here like this, right to the head, right off the bat.
Nice and quick.
Right. Okay. So that's the end of that. And I'm going to cut it again.
You always want to kill the lobster before you go to steam it?
That's when it's still fresh, alive, everything's beautiful, and that's the best way to go. Okay, so we take the rubber bands off at this point. All right. So, and we take...
How big is this? Like a 3-pounder?
3 pound. Okay, now we have the claws. Okay, before you steam it, you can, and that's what I do, is crack the claws. And while you step back,
I will.
because
Oh, excuse me.
that's how hard you have to do. Okay? There you go. Then we're going to put this in here like so. Open this up.
Beautiful.
Okay. We want to take this out.
That's the best part.
Yeah, what is that called?
According to my grandfather, the
Yeah,
tamale.
yeah. People love that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So we start with the lobster like this. Okay. And we're going to season it.
And you're going to stuff this.
We're going to stuff it after we steam it for a little bit. Just so the uniformity with the claws are cooked and everything like that.
Sure.
I take a little oil in there, olive oil.
Do you use butter instead?
You can use butter. People are using more olive oil.
Look at it, it's still...
Oh yeah,
still
that's the way it
alive.
is. That's how you make sushi. Okay.
Tony, you done with this? You done with Larry?
1 second. Larry.
Aw.
Nice. I think we're. I think you want to put a little water on the bottom that you were talking to me about, right?
Okay.
Yep. I'll put a little lemon in there. Okay. Hear that?
Yeah, you can
Those
hear it
vegetables
cranking
are
up.
screaming. Oh man, it's hot in here.
I love how compact that thing is too. If you don't
Yeah.
have a lot of space,
That's awesome.
it's really nice.
All right.
So we just a little bit of water in there we put in.
Right.
That's going to enable us to create steam within the cavity. So while this is cooking, this will be steaming inside there at the same time.
So how long do you think that lobster's going to take?
About 3 minutes or so.
Jeez, 3 minutes. I got to work fast. I might lose weight on this show.
What about the seaweed?
Well, the seaweed I use it for as a garnish.
Okay.
Okay, so once we put the bechamel in the lobster, we'll put the seaweed in there and then give it a nice bright color. So what I'm going to do is if you could peel me just the shrimp,
No, keep the head on.
take the head off on just this much, okay? Okay, we're going to take a little salt.
And totally peel them?
Yeah, totally peel them. Okay, and I have a little flour. Okay. So when you make a roux for the bechamel, it's equal parts flour and butter.
Tails on?
Yeah, just do just like that. Okay.
So equal parts flour and butter.
Right.
Make the roux.
So that's cooking pretty good. Turn this down. Everything's hot in this thing. Huh? I like that.
It's just you, Tony.
Oh no.
Yeah, keep an eye on that.
Lukewarm.
Well, it's a really hot stove, but I don't think it gives off too much heat to you. You know, all the heat stays in the pan.
Yep. Okay, so I added some milk, right? And I thickened up.
So that's really thick, basically.
Right. Well, that's okay. I like that because we're gonna have some fun with that.
We always
Okay.
have fun.
Then, what we do is I have some beautiful sea scallops. Look at that.
Very nice. Already cleaned.
Right? The little seasoning on there.
Look at that crab meat, too.
Yeah, colossal crab meat.
Ooh.
Right? We have a little jus from the crab meat. We'll put it in there. Put all that in there.
It's a lot of seafood in there.
That's a big lobster. You see that lobster?
That's a good point.
Okay.
That could serve 10 people. Or one Tony.
Yeah, with 2 Tonys. Okay, so then we add a little cheese. We can throw the shrimp in there now.
Now I know you're not Italian.
Well, I am French trained, love. Okay. If you just toss that in there. Okay, so I'm going to take a little parsley. All right. So you notice the fish is not cooked in there, right?
Yep.
All right, good. Throw that shrimp in there.
With the shells or the
No,
tails?
You can leave the tails in there.
Okay.
All right, put that in there. Okay, now how's that lobster? Can we pull that out?
Let's take a look.
Okay. Well, see that? It's doing good.
It's doing good. I think I want to give it another minute and a half.
Okay. So tell me when that's ready, and then we'll add this.
And that's really only been what? 3 minutes so far?
That was actually 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
That's not bad, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, so
Nice
we're
and
just gonna let this sit.
While we're waiting here, Tony, I'm gonna put the potatoes in
Awesome.
and get them
Thank
going.
you. Thank you, Bobby.
Whoops.
You're saving my
Thank
life.
you.
There you go.
Look at that. It's already cooked, fully cooked, right? Will this fit in there?
Yes, that will.
Okay, look. You take this here. That looks cool, huh? Look at that.
You
What do
fit
you
all
think?
of that in there? Wow.
Come on, girlfriend.
You can do it.
Look at me.
I have faith.
And look, I fit in this shirt they gave me. The second one.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
All right, so this is really going to do really cool. This nice, beautiful scallop. I love that. Okay, we're going to put a little cayenne on there like that. We'll put a little drizzle of olive oil on there. Okay. A little of this cheese in there. Good, that's killer. Not a lot of cheese.
That's just cheddar?
Yeah, a little cheddar, yellow cheddar, okay.
Now, is this going to go back into the steamer, or are we going to roast this? and get
That's
some
going to go in the
color?
roasting
Wow.
pan. Beautiful. It's going to be good.
I think we got done this here.
All right, cool beans. Just put it right here.
Whoa, Larry.
Larry, you're doing great.
That looks killer.
Okay, let's plate this up.
I got you.
There it is. Pick it up. Come this way. Boom, boom, boom. It was on an angle. Fabulous.
Oh my goodness.
Let's put a little of this seaweed there to show it's.
So we know where it came from?
Yeah, the seaweed. We're going to go right on the top with that.
Wow.
I bet you these potatoes are done.
Oh, they're done.
Wow.
Done.
And that took what? 6
All right.
minutes?
Let's put this on
Yeah,
the
it was
bottom
about 7.
shelf. Okay, look at this. Let's take these. Okay, we're going to put these with the lobster, but let's get them ready first.
You gonna do anything to them, or just kind of straight up plain potatoes? Always got something in
I
your back
thought
pocket.
my wallet, it said Tony Clark. Okay, look, we're going to put a little salt.
Uh-huh.
Okay. We're going to put a little butter. Right? All over.
Butter and potatoes is so
That's
good.
the,
That's all they
yes. You know, my mashed potato.
need. Oh,
It's
your mashed potatoes.
It's a butter
bonkers.
potato. Okay, so we start like that.
Butter with a little bit of potato.
Yes, we go in here like this with the melted. Just throw them in here like that. That's fun. Oh. That reminds me of my grandmother.
Lobster and potatoes?
Just, yeah.
Or just butter?
Butter with a something that was starchy.